Alright, this one, I kind of messed up on the last one. I mean, I get it right, but I could have actually worked out the problem by factoring it out, which is what I did in the problem before that. And I think I did that when I was working the problem out myself too. I got these from online. But either way, you get the same answer. So this one, at least we know what we're trying to do here, and this just shows us that at least what we did in the last video is right, except for this limit is approaching -5, and this is a different function. So it's evaluate the indicated limit by evaluating the function for values shown in the table and observing the values that are obtained. Do not change the form of the function. I guess that's what we should have done last time, what we did 2 videos ago. So we're going to evaluate it at each point, and we're going to see where it's leading to, and of course we're not typing anything. 4 decimal places. I don't know if my writing will fit in here. I'll have to make it over here. Let's see, type an integer. Okay, so where is the limit? Where is the limit headed? So basically, what's the limit of -5? Where you can kind of say, like, okay, what's the value of -5 on this graph? Alright, so got my little calc over here. I got a TI-89 on here too, but I have a TI-84 plus, so I used this one. Alright, so our limit's a little simpler. I should have even realized that. It's kind of drastic. This one's a lot easier to type in. So what do we have? -5.100. Do those 0 to the third minus 25 times -5.100. Close those. Divided by -5.100 plus 5. That equals 5151. Let's see if I can type that in here. One zero zero, but we don't need that. Alright, second enter to redo it all. That way, if we just do, what is it? 0 1. So copies over that. That's what I meant earlier. Well, in the last video. It's just easier if you do the zeros together. The extra zeros, because you could just type over it with this when you have to do the next one. Let's see, 0 1. That's it, yeah. 511501. Alright, let's try this. Hooray! That's a point. Nice. Alright, and the same thing. And then just 0 1. And you might be able to see right now where it's converging. But, oh, I should have done those 5. What did I get? Oh, 5 0. That one's 5 1. This one I got 5 0. Ah, see, I wouldn't have fit maybe. It's 50.1501. Okay, I was gonna say this number is not what I thought. Oh yeah. Well, yeah. We'll do this one first. 0. The next one 1. Let me go use the computer. 0 1. Just to make sure. Alright, and I got 5 0. Let's see, 0 1 5 0. Since it says 4 places. And you can tell they're getting smaller, which they should. But if you see from this point of view, when you come from here, you'll see that, oh wow, it's kind of getting close. What's in between, it doesn't exist. Remember this? It doesn't exist, right? But it does in a way, and that's why I guess you would do the extra clause. If x is equal to -5, you know what I mean? F of x is blank, and that's what we're doing right here. We saw that I think on like the first problem for the week. Alright, do it again. Just get it'll get it's good if it's a little slow, the way, because you can learn it. You can't really speed up learning. I think you're gonna learn calculus in a week, you know, kind of thing. Just it's not that easy. And the fact that we'll get pretty heady. Alright, this one. So 49 point, I might just write these below. 9850. Yeah, why don't I just do that? 499850. Alright, that's this one. Let's do that a little again. Let's see. Second. We want to go to 4.90, so just put a 0 in here. Alright. This one I might be able to write in here. 49.8501. That's this one. Ah, that's really ugly. We'll do it up here. Alright, and then we'll do the last one. I mean, you can kind of tell, see how it's getting further and further away with 9.8. Well, it's getting lower, but you can see where they're converging, and that's what it should do. Alright, we'll just do this for the sake of answering. Well, I guess you would, if this was your problem, you'd have to fill it out anyway, so no point giving up yet. 48.51, that's pretty far off. And you want to know, where's it converging, you know? And if you can't really figure it out, I mean, you can kind of see, it looks like it's converging to 50 here. If you can't really figure it out, you know, type in something that's a lot smaller, right? Type in something that's like, let's see, 0, we kind of did the, oh, we want it to be, if we're going from this side, we want it to be pretty close to, we could do insert, oops, not that, dang. So let's do 99, insert, 99999. We should see how many 9s those are, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that's right. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Oh, it just rounds it. Okay, you normally wouldn't do that unless it's rounding until like maybe, you know, the 9th digit or something. But that's right though. That's, you know, that's our answer. I'm not going to do it in there. It's 50. So as x approaches -5, f of x approaches 50. And that's why we do it. You know, and that's what I was trying to tell you earlier, that if it's like this, you know, if this is a graph or whatever, say this is, you know, x squared, f of x is x squared. And you want to know, okay, what's the value of, you know, such and such. But if it gives us one of these little things, you want to know, well, I can tell you what the value is. But with calculus, we can find out the limits, and there's more important reasons for this, you know, if you want to know the instantaneous speed or whatever. And you want to know, oh, hey, what's this approaching here, or, you know, or whatever. Alright, so that's this one.